Hi, and welcome to Kirk Allen Outdoor Adventures. So we're here at Lake Apacon. We have to use the public launch now because our main area is now closed for the season. Well, we're already starting to run into a few challenges. One being the water is so low down that it was very difficult to get my boat off the trailer. My entire truck was in the lake basically, so I may have to use, it's gonna be a tough one getting the boat back onto the trailer. I don't like beating up my boat, but we're soon gonna see how that goes. So hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Kirk Allen. Got a really strange video, and I never thought I would become part of a boat ramp failure, but on this day it sure turned out to be. The ramp was very shallow. I knew it was. Well, when it came to bringing the boat back in, we had real problems. Let's get to the video, and I'm here to commentate. So let's get the video going. Okay, so this is pretty much me making my way to get the boat off the water. Wait till you see this show. Look how shallow this water is. So I immediately knew I was in some trouble here. So at this point, I'm thinking I can pretty much back this thing in with no trouble at all. As you can see here, my bunkers are not even close to under the water. I know I got some problems. We're going to do our best to get it on with the ropes. I knew the back rope wasn't going to be necessary at this point. Already pulling on the ropes, I'm already pulling the boat the wrong way. I knew this was going to be a challenge. I know I'm going to have a real challenge, and these dogs are staring me down. I might. The biggest problem is it's so shallow. Here I'm trying to get the rope over the truck and pull the boat straight, and you can see how well that worked out.
Wait for exactly. Hey! You step for the tire.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to make it all the way over there. Not without getting wet.
No, it's better that you drive for up. Floor.
So as you can see, the boat is not lining up on the trailer correctly. We were really having some trouble.
More. Little bit more. Now stop.
So unfortunately, I had a rough time getting out of the in and out of the truck. The water was pretty deep around the truck.
Now put the boat back.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can pull it up.
Yes.
Thanks for holding that. I appreciate it.
No problem. I have a time.
I knew coming out. I said this is gonna be a lot of fun getting this thing in. I broke your ice coming out. There was ice on there. Yeah. See if it'll pull it.
And maybe boat go to back, sir. Put the boat back. This is not mirror. Oh, maybe. Oh, it's not mirror. It's now it's like stuck.
Yeah.
Put the boat.
Yeah, I think I'll let it go back in the water and come back out and see if it'll straighten out. I thought for a moment here that I was going to be able to crank the boat up and it was going to fall on perfect, but not to be.
Maybe now up.
I mean, to just look at what's happening, I thought for sure we had it. Didn't seem to matter how much back and forth I did. I just couldn't get that boat to fall into the bunkers correctly.
Listen, like you driving for the boat and for mirror. You sit down for boat and put at the back and later drive for mirror.
I mean, I have to do that.
You understand? I tell you like you driving for boat for mirror and I say right, left.
I think I'm pretty much there.
It's better like before. Hey.
Yeah, don't pull on it for a second. See if it'll straighten out.
Okay.
straight. Now I just got to get in there and gun it.
Maybe now.
At this point, the skeg is hitting the ground, so I'm not able to get my motor all the way down. So, more troubles. Too shallow though, I think. I know what you're saying. Take it off and see if I can gun it in.
Take it out, and I give you like this, up, down, and I see you the middle.
Okay.
Open the only, and now they make the loose. Now you know open. Make the loose the. Stay here, guys.
They're being good, aren't they? This guy was a perfect gentleman. I mean, he could have told me, good luck. I don't know what to tell you, but this guy hung in there with me the entire time.
And I tell you, right, left.
You want to give it a shot? I'm pretty shallow. I know I used a lot of this gentleman's time, and I'm just so thankful he was willing to help me out here. It really made me feel good knowing someone was there to help.
And back.
Too much on the trailer. It is too shallow. Just as I couldn't pull the boat onto the trailer because I was too shallow, I couldn't back the boat off either. Well, I got another idea. I'm gonna let this go way loose and deep.
Now for stroke you make the like shaft.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it back off the trailer and then I'm gonna be able to pull it from here. But then I'll be able to climb over the side to get to it instead of having to try to walk through 20 gallons of, you know. It's only water, but it's cold.
Now is that December. Winter time.
You know what? I didn't catch any fish either.
I coming for United States, and my friend say me, Gregory, coming for fishing together. I say, I never. John, I say, I never fishing. I don't understand fishing. I teach you. And go to lake and little rain. And this guy, everything fixed me and stayed and saying me. And you see, this is moving. You moving too. I stayed maybe 3 hours. I wet. Maybe I touch the fish. Maybe I am good. I no touch. I never go to again for fishing.
No.
This is I pissed off. I say I never make the stick.
Thank you so much for your help. And look, I did pay for it. Water in my suit.
You have an extra.
So basically what it comes down to is you never know when there's going to be a good person out there who just is at the right place at the right time that's willing to help you out. Looking back and seeing yourself making mistakes, if you see that the water is just way too shallow and the boat's not coming off the trailer, maybe it wasn't meant to be to go off that ramp that day. That's the decision I made, and I paid for it in the end. It took me quite a bit longer to get that boat on the trailer than it ever has before. I'm Kirk from Kirk Allen Outdoor Adventures. Really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.